Hello crafters, so this side Shraddha from Creative Edges, and today I'm going to show you this easy peasy kit from Paper Source. And this was gifted by my friend from My Card Art, and she makes beautiful art and craft. I have shared the link below. Just check on the description for that. This is a thank you card making kit, and it has 4 assorted cards and envelopes and sheets, so that you can make them a beautiful card and you can give to anyone you like. Now let me open the kit and show you some goodies what I got in this kit for making thank you envelopes. So firstly I got thank you cards, which is already, I think, they have printed or dye them like that. And there is 4 kind of envelopes which you can see. The one is the chocolate color, and one is the shades of green, as you can see here, and one is white. Okay, and these I got. So this is a shiny envelope, I guess, the last one. And these are the beautiful pieces of sheets already cut in the shape, so you can easily make your handmade thank you cards. These kits are really fun to make because if you are not even a crafter, you can make them easily. So I'm gonna make this shades of green one. So I have taken this one envelope, and now I'm going to take a decide paper, which is just a look like in the on a it's a card making kit. So I'm going to remove this and gonna put out this sheet of paper, which is a designer sheet already cutted, and one more sheet I want to use as per the photograph we can see. And also we have the ribbon as well. They are perfectly kit, if you don't know how to craft. So we got all the goodies now in our hands. So all the paper cuts we got it, so let's apply it. So I'm going to paste over here. So after that I'm going to cut the excess one. So here I cut that, and let me paste over here. I want to make this card very beautiful and simple. Even if you want to try, you can apply your own designer sheets or designer papers or something like that. But these kits are perfect for those who actually don't know how to do craft, but they want to give something handmade to someone. So these are the perfect kits. So even if I also make a lot of kits, if you really want from me any kind of kit handmade, so I can give to you guys, you can contact me in the description below. I've given my details as well. Just paste over here. And also I want to reveal one more thing on the craft page. Actually, I'm a great tarot reader as well. So in case you want to know about your future, or you believe in these kind of things like psychic readings and all, you can always contact me for that. So let's do this. So now it's gonna look like that. I'm just trying to figure it out if this ribbon, this bow kind of ribbon will look good here or not. Let's see. So oopsie. Okay, so okay, I think it's gonna look great over here, or I can paste over that as well. But let me make a little bit 3D. So I'm going to apply this double-sided tape. If you want to make 3D look, thank you should pop up in 3D way, so you can apply double-sided tape anytime you want. If you don't want to, then simply you can paste it with your glue. So here I'm going to apply it, just easy peasy. So guys, I want to give this thank you card to my teacher who really helped me in my projects, and plus I'm doing PhD, so PhD projects, yeah, she really helped me, and I really want to thank her. So I'm going to paste it over here. Now as you can see, it's done. It's made it very cutely, and it's so easy that I have done it like within a few minutes, hardly taken like 10 minutes, and it's really done. So you can also make these from paper source. You can buy kits from me as well. And if you like this video, please subscribe, like my channel for more videos DIY like these. Thanks.